I'm going to show you how to do 3 easy hairstyles to hide your bangs. Let's get right into it. So for this first hairstyle, you're going to grab a front section and secure it with a rubber band. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side. Now that you have both sections secured off with a rubber band, you're going to make an opening in one of them, so that way you can loop the hair around over and into that hole. Now you're going to do the same thing on this side. So you're going to make the opening and loop the hair over and into the hole. And there's your first hairstyle. So for the second hairstyle, we're going to do 2 French braids on each side to hide the bangs. So you're going to start off with your first section and split the hair into 3. And then you're going to go ahead and start your French braid. I'd like to take this moment to thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and make sure to click that notification bell so you never miss a future video. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the braid here and secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to continue on the other side and do the same thing. And that's how you do this double French braid hairstyle. Now for the final hairstyle, this is going to be a simple twisted braid. So you're going to grab your two sections, twist them around each other, and then integrate hair into each section as you go. And then just secure it with a bobby pin. And there you have this side twisted braid hairstyle. I hope you get to try these out, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!